Kia ora, Year 11 and 12. I'm going to start doing some AS revision questions. So these are going to be mainly targeted at people in my A-level class. So they might be a little bit faster than you're used to for AS revision. And I'm just going to pick out some questions from papers that I've put up on my Google Classroom. This question is about when something is a decreasing function. And it goes like this. So we're given a function. Just let me get the pen. Where's the pen gone? Right, so the function is given to us by this. And we're told that it's defined for x between 1/2 and up to k. And we have to figure out the largest value of k for which f is a decreasing function. So this is a really useful skill also for level 2 calculus. If you are doing AS this year, it's one that's definitely worth getting on top of. The functions will usually be a little bit easier than this though, because there's no fractional powers in level 2 calc that I've ever seen. So decreasing function. What does that mean? So a decreasing function means that the gradient is negative. And we can either write it as strictly negative or weakly negative. I'll write it as weakly negative. So what we have to do is to find the derivative and then solve this inequality. So we've got f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 to the power of 3 over 2 minus 6x. So f dash of x will be equal to this. So it's a little example of the chain rule, right? I'm bringing down my power and then reducing this power by 1. But I also have to remember that this is the inside function, so I multiply by the derivative of the inner function. And if you're still at the point where you need to use the full version of the chain rule, like this, I'm mainly talking to AS people now, that's absolutely fine, right? So you can do a u substitution there, and you can write u to the power of 3 over 2 and go on like that. But you'll pretty quickly find that you don't need to do that. So here we've got f dash of x is equal to 3 times 2x minus 1 to the power of 1/2 minus 6, and we want that to be less than or equal to 0 for a decreasing function. So what do we need to do? Well, we've got 3 times this is less than or equal to 6, giving me 2x minus 1 to the power of 1/2 less than or equal to 2. You could turn that back into a third if you wanted to. Might make you feel better. And now it's obvious what I've got to do. I need to square both sides. So we have 2x minus 1 less than or equal to 4. 2x is less than or equal to 5. X is less than or equal to 5 over 2. So what this is saying is that whenever x is below this number, and obviously equal to 1/2 or more, we'll have a decreasing function. So the largest possible value of k for which the function is decreasing, so the largest possible value of k is k equals 5 over 2. Right, always good to write it in a sentence. So let's just go back and check that we've answered the question. Yep, find the largest value of k for which f is a decreasing function. Now I'm just going to quickly look at the mark schedule to see where the marks were. Here we are. Oh, I'm not sure if I can do this properly. There we are. See if you can see it there. So it's worth 5 marks, and you see that you've got to write out that answer pretty clearly to get that last mark, so don't chuck that away. Now this AS video is a little bit of an experiment because most people who are doing A-level are probably finding these questions pretty good by now. So if you watch these and tell me that they're helping you with your revision, I'll make more. And that goes for people in 12 MCA as well. So if I get lots of views on them, that's where I'm going to put my time for what I'm doing. Otherwise, I'll put my time back into the A-level paper and also some scholarship calculus stuff. So just let me know. Thanks for watching.